morning, viewers. It's Saturday the 6th of September 2025. Just landed at Marrakesh, coming from Faro, and it's about, I don't know, about 35 degrees.
Yeah, it's very, very hot.
35 degrees, but
Really
tiny bit of rain.